Hi, let's do some challenges on joins. Three challenges here. Let's practice some challenges on joins. Joins already we already explained about inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and full join. Based on that, just complete these challenges. First challenge is write a query to return the following attributes for employees who belong to a department. So department tables we have to get department name and remaining from employees table, right? See, I am here, I am using inner join. Why? See, employees table, from employees table department id is common column, department table department id is common. So based on this, I am joining. Select what are the columns, these columns, right? These fields, these attributes I want. So simply I am copy pasting from select, delete it, comma, delete it, comma, like give some alias name, e dot employee, e dot first name, e dot last name, e dot salary, and d dot department, right? uh, from which tables? This one, employees table and employees table, alias e inner join, inner join, inner join with departments table as d, right? Let's get it as d, and on which column? Department id. So department id, right? E dot department one is equal to d dot department. See, let's execute. In this way, employee id, first name, last name, salary, department id, department name we get, right? See, in this way you have to solve the first challenge. Let us second challenge. What is that? Write a query to return following attributes employees, including employees who do not belong to a department. So here in Energine, what will give? It gives only matching records for the department. So here it's asking department employees, attributes for an employees, including employees who do not belong to a department. Even though department, so department id is any null, see, department id, for suppose where department id is null. See, department IDs are null. So even though department ID is null, so even though department, see, who do not belong to a department, even though the employee is not belongs to any department, I want that data also, right? Here how many records I got? Total, see, total 78 rows. right? We include we excluding nulls. If we include nulls, it will be more, right? 78, more than 78. Let's I want to join left outer join. Left outer join, it gives matching records and all the records from the left table, right? So I am going with left outer join. Select what are the fields? Same fields, right? Employee last name, department name. Yeah, same fields. So I just copying. Left outer join. Left outer left outer join. That's it, right? More than 78 rows we will get. See, 107 rows. 107 rows. Here, while filtering nulls, how many we will got? 78. 78 and 28 and 78. How many? 107. Right? Nulls are 70. Nulls are 29. Nulls are without department ID employees are 29, and with the department are 78. 29 and 78 are is equal to total how many employees? 107, right? In this way you can achieve second challenge. Here write a query to third challenge. Here write a query to return the total number of employees from each department. So we have to use here group by department ID, including department name in the query results. So also include employees who have not been assigned to departments. So here I want to use right outer join, and department name I want to include department name. See, select what is that, department name, part department name, return total number of employees in each department. So department, which department if you want, department so count star as total employees. Total employees from all the tables. RIGHT, right join, and condition same condition. And one more thing, include employees who have not been assigned by a department, include group by department name, group by department name, right? Execute like this. Total employees in accounting, department name accounting, administration, benefits, construction, like this, right? This is the correct query. Let's see the result. Here solution. What is the solution? Department name, department name. So okay, even though here we didn't mention department, department name, department name, SM, get employees, write out resign. Yeah, total employees from each, right? Same query, I think it's same query. Department name, employees, from the employees left out resign, whatever it may be, left or right, it will give same result. 27 rows it given. Let's see the left out resign, how many records it will go. 7, department name, employee count, department name, employee count. Okay, like this also you can do. Instead of, okay, we from the employees table we want to get, right? So that's why better to use left out rejoin. So yeah, so department name 29, executive department, finance department, IT purchase department, sales department, shipping department, like this. In this way you can get, right? Yeah, later we will see some more joins. Let's practice these three. We will see some more joins on further. Thank you.